Hello everyone, welcome to TechMaster Pro. I'm welcoming you guys back to this tutorial section, and I'm going to explain how to install Live Server in Visual Studio Code. So guys, here are the tips on how to install Live Server. So guys, to install the Live Server extension in Visual Studio Code, you can follow these steps. So guys, here are the tips. Number one, you have to open the Visual Studio. So I have to open my Visual Studio. So I have to come down to setting, extension. So I've clicked on install on my Visual Studio, and popular there's nothing there. I have to type Live Server. So you have the kind of Live Server. So I'm going to install this. This is the Live Server I'm going to install. So how is installing, the Live Server is installing. So I have to wait for the installation to complete. So my Live Server is being installed. So once the installation is complete, you open an HTML in Visual Studio Code, right click on the file and select. So I have to go to File, Desktop. So guys, open with Live Server. Allow access. So I can open files on my Live Server now on the Google Chrome. So guys, thanks for watching, and follow for more tips, for more tech tips. Thanks guys.